Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Heisley. I'm just doing a quick screencast so I can test out this new program. What I'm showing on the screen is a portfolio that I have for one of my Biology B classes. So I'm just wanting to see how this scrolls through. I have it pulled up as a PDF. Normally we record in what we call a live lesson room. So learning some other tips and tricks on how to do a screencast for tutorials for our students is really helpful. So I'm just going to do a little bit of scrolling here so I can just watch the recording of this and I can see how it scrolls and what it looks like. Um, Checking out if you can see my pointer on this screen. Okay, looks good. The one bummer that I noticed when I was starting up this recording is that it only records my audio and it won't record my computer audio, which is a bummer because especially for this lab that we have the students do, it's an online lab and there's some talking and some little video clips that they watch as part of the lab. So I see that was an upgrade that you'd have to pay for. So I might try some other screencast sites and things to see if some of those include that. Probably not. I bet they're all paid for. But anyways, thanks everybody.